Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and Excel App. In the last video, we have covered example 3 and 4 of XLOOKUP, which are if not found and match mode with wildcard. Okay, so in this video, we are going to cover example 5 and 6. Okay, so example 5 is match mode, exact match or next smaller item, and example 6 is match mode, exact match or next larger item. Okay, so for these examples, we do not require this student database, so I'm going to simply hide these columns. Okay, and let us look at these examples. So in example 5, we have serial numbers and we need to get the salesman name. Okay, so this is a source table where we have serial number and the salesman name. Okay, so in this exact match or next smaller item, if we have the serial number exactly matching in the source table serial number, then it's going to give us this salesman name here. If it is not exactly matching, then it's going to pick up the next smaller item. So here the 5 is not available in this serial number. Okay, so it's going to pick up the next smaller item, which is 4, and the salesman name of 4 is going to get updated here. Okay, so let us start writing the XLOOKUP, and lookup value is this, and lookup array will be the serial number in the source table. Hit F4, and return array will be the salesman name column in the source table. Hit F4, comma, if not found. So this argument we are going to skip, so I'm going to add another comma here, and then match mode. So for this example, we need to use the second option, -1, which is exact match or next smaller item. Okay, and I'm going to close the bracket. So for serial number 5, we got SM name 4. So for serial number 5, we do not have the data. So that is the reason it picked up salesman name 4. Okay. Now I'm going to drag this formula to the bottom cells. So we have data for serial number 8. So it did exact match and updated the salesman name. And we also have serial number 4 and serial number 2, serial number 3. So these 4 cases are exact matches. Okay, and the 12 is not available. The serial number 12 is not available, so it picked up the next smaller number, which is 10, and updated the salesman name of 10 here. And next serial number is 15, so we have 15, so let me make this to 15. Okay, so we have serial number 15, that's the reason we got exact match for serial number 15. Okay, so now we are going to look at example 6, which is quite opposite for example 5, where it's going to check for exact match. If it is not available, then it's going to pick up the next larger item. Okay, so here I'm going to write XLOOKUP, and the lookup value will be the serial number, and lookup array will be the serial number column in the source table. Hit F4, comma, and now I'm going to select the return array, which is salesman name in the source table. Select the entire column, hit F4, comma, and then the argument if not found, so we are going to skip. Okay, and we have the match mode now. So here I'm going to use this option, which is exact match or next larger item. Okay, so simply I need to write number 1 here, and then close the bracket, hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to drag this formula to the other cells. So if this serial number exactly matching in this table, then it's going to update this salesman name here. If it is not matching, then it's going to take the next larger number and pick up the salesman name and update here. Okay, so for 5 we have exact matching, so we got the salesman name. For 8 we do not have exact match, so after 8 what is the next largest number? So we have 7, and then we do not have 8, and then directly we have 13. So it picked up the 13 salesman name and updated here. And 4, we do not have 4, so 1, 2 and 3 and 4 are not available, but the next largest number after 4 is 5, which is available. So that is the reason we got salesman name 5 here. Okay, and 2 we have the exact match, and for 3 also the same case. So After 3, the next largest number available in this data table is 5. So we got the salesman name 5 here. So for serial number 12 and 15 also we do not have exact matches. So for 12 it's going to pick up 13 salesman name, and for 15 it's going to pick up the next larger number which is 16 and update the salesman name here. Okay. So in this video you have learned two examples, so which covers match mode, exact match or next smaller item, and match mode, exact match or next larger item. Okay. So I hope this video will help you in your day-to-day Excel work and Excel interview questions. If you want to download this workbook, you can click the link available in the description. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Commerce and Excel Hub and hit the bell icon. Thank you.